Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do another unboxing of a relatively cheap Bluetooth speaker that I purchased, or at least I found and purchased from a local retailer, Ocean, which is, I guess you'd call it the equivalent of Walmart in America. This one is a Romanian I don't know, retailer that has various locations throughout Romania. Yeah, I don't exactly remember the price on this one, but I'm guessing it's around 10 euros from what I can remember converted. Right, as you can see, it is quite small. As featured on the box, it looks a bit circular with a strap on it, so I guess you can attach this to a backpack if you want to. It says that it has 3 watts, the output of the Bluetooth speaker. It does have an RGB ring on it. Also, a 3-hour battery life, and it does feature USB-C charging, so it is quite modern, not the old micro USB style. Okay, so let's unbox it and see how it looks. Do a quick sound test. Alright, I'm guessing that's it for the tape. Okay, let's see how it comes in the box. If I can open it. Yeah. Okay. Wow, alright. It's a bit chunky. I did not expect that one. Yeah, so this one is the speaker. Let's put it on the table. Alright, inside the box you get the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Okay, and some user's guide manuals, and that's about it. Alright, as you can see, it does look pretty good for a cheap Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, it does come with this strap. Let's see, is this magnetic? Nope, it's old style mounting system. Alright, alright, is this a flap or? Yeah, this one is a flap. There it is, the USB-C charging port. I'm not sure you can see it due to this flap. Alright, perhaps this one is better. Yeah, and the on-off switch, I'm guessing. Let's power it on, see if it has any battery. Alright, the RGB is quite dim. Okay, let's pair it up to a phone. See if it recognizes it. Okay, there we go. Yes, pair it. Nice. Okay, let's go to YouTube and search for some music. See if we can find something. Okay. Yeah, sorry about the commercials. Okay. Whoa. I wish you could feel this one, guys, but it does have quite a lot of bass in it, and it vibrates quite a lot. I don't know about you, but this feels nice. Alright, let's go to maximum. Yeah, it does have a bit of a bass reflex on it, especially on this part where the RGB ring is. And if you press slightly on this one, you can see there is in fact a membrane which helps with the bass reflex. I'm not sure if this is water resistant, given the fact that it does have this cover on it, and I don't know, it doesn't say anywhere on the box that it is water resistant. Let me check. Yeah, it does not say. However, it is a pretty nice and cheap Bluetooth speaker that you can get for around 10 euros. It does have a bit of a RGB light on it, RGB effect, which it is pretty cool at night if you want to have some ambient lighting while you're listening to your music. Okay, right here on the bottom, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but it says that the input for it's 5 volts 1 amp, and it does have a 500 milliamp hour battery inside it, so it should last quite a while. I mean, I'm guessing about 2 hours at maximum, because the 3-hour battery life that is mentioned on the box, I'm pretty sure is not rated for the maximum volume that the speaker can achieve. So yeah, that one, I'm guessing the 3-hour is probably around 50% volume. So yeah, well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was a pretty short unboxing. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.